Hey friends, it's story time. Today we're going to read a story about a mommy and a daddy, and a boy and his sister named Natalie, and a hamster named Hammy, and a dog named Rover, and a fish whose name is Splishy. The book is called My Daddy Snores. I wonder what's going to happen when Daddy snores. Let's find out. On Tuesday, Daddy's snore boomed like a dinosaur's roar. The windows rattled, the walls trembled, he said. And so Mommy played musical beds. What? This is a silly book. Mommy tried sleeping in my bed, but I hogged the blanket. Mommy's tried sleeping in Natalie's bed, but it broke. Uh-oh. Well, that's not gonna work. On Tuesday, Daddy's snore rumbled like an earthquake. It shook Mommy's right out of bed. Uh-oh. So, Mommy slipped in the bathtub. But the faucet dripped water on her head all night long. Drip, drip. Drip, drip. Drip, drip, drip. Not good. On Wednesday, Daddy's snore chugged like a freight train. So, Mommy slept in Hammy's cage. But she was too squished. Yes, she was. And it smelled funny. Ugh. On Thursday, Daddy's snore buzzed like a bumblebee. So, Mommy slept in the doghouse. Oh, I've been in the doghouse before. But poor Rover didn't sleep a wink. He howled instead, very loudly. Ow! Oh, and well, Mommy's not too happy about that. She went like this. Poor Mommy. On Friday, Daddy's snore whistled like a teapot. So this time, Mommy made Daddy sleep in Splishy's bowl, but even Daddy's bubbles snored loudly. And it wasn't fair to Squishy at all. Yeah, Fishy doesn't have any room. Splishy the Fishy. It's based on a true story, this book. On Saturday, Daddy's snore honked like a truck. Mommy had a great idea. She made Daddy sleep in our tent. Huh. All right. But it woke up all the birds. They don't look happy. And then the birds woke us up, and it was not a great idea. After all, it's not going well. On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like a zombie having a bad hair day. No more snoring, she yelled. So she took Daddy to the doctor, and the doctor helped to cure Daddy's snoring. Oh, he looks really happy. Doctors are smart. Oh, mommy finally fell asleep. Yeah. On Sunday night, Daddy didn't snore, and our whole house was quiet. Mommy slept, and I slept, and Natalie slept, and Rover and Splishy and Hammy slept until Daddy started talking in his sleep. Thanks, I'd love more ice cream, he said. Oh, Dad. What are you gonna do? Dads are funny sometimes, right? All right, my friends. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you soon. Mwah! Bye.